Hello boys and girls, welcome to another flipped video, continuing in our series on geometry. And so let's just dive right in. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about transformations. Transformations have nothing to do with the Transformers, but I just thought this was a cool picture. Basically what transformations mean is they move in some way, shape, or form, but they stay the same size. Make sure you have this written down on your paper. And you'll need these written down on your paper as well. There are three different forms of transformations. There's a translation, which just simply means it slides. There's a reflection, which simply means it's going to flip. There's a rotation, which means it's turned. Think rotation when we're talking about science, how the Earth rotates, it turns. I've underlined SL in translation to help you remember that slide starts with SL, and FL in flip also starts with that. So those are some clues. I would recommend underlining those as well to help you get started. But let's dive into what these actually mean. So for instance, this is a translation because it is simply a slide. If you see this one, or this is our original one, and now it's over here. All I did was I took this one, and I slid it over. You see it's the same size, same shape, and it's moved on. Haven't done anything to it other than slide it. So that would be a translation. Next example is a rotation. Rotation simply means that it is a turn just like the Earth turns. So for this one, all I did was I took the original one, which again is this one. I took it and I can't turn it the way I did turn it, but I took it and I swung it, and now it is turned here. Think about it like a door swinging open. It's kind of like that. And finally, we have a reflection. When we have a reflection, we have an imaginary line that comes down the middle. It's called the line of reflection, and it basically means that on one side, it's going to be exactly the mirror image on the other, just like when you're looking in a mirror. So that if the thing was flipped over like that, so that would be a reflection. So your bring back to school problem again. This video is pretty short as well. I want you to draw your own polygons, and I want you to do each of the three transformations to your own polygons. I want one of them to be a rotation, one to be a reflection, and one to be a translation. So bring that back to school, and I'll see you tomorrow.